it's okay to panic in the process, right? It's okay to feel, hey, I'm gonna fail, because that's also part of it. So it's not a competition. That's what I'm trying to say. I mean, at the end, you can just throw it away, right? Even if you're hired by someone, you can say, I tried and it looks like this. Maybe there are parts that we can take from it, or maybe we can just throw it all the way to the trash. But hopefully that's not the case. But you know what I mean, right? Like if you put that pressure on yourself when you are creating something, then you usually kind of mess up, because there are all like zillions of ways that things can go wrong. And please don't think about that. I'm also saying that to myself. So have a bit of a confidence in your process and see where you are going, especially even you are a younger artist and you're under a deadline or a pressure, you know, that you have to finish something, you have to get it right. Please don't let that pressure ruin your work, because that's just a thing that happens. No one wants that. Even a person who gave you the job or hired you to do something, they don't want you to mess up. They want you to succeed. So one of the way to do that is just to calm yourself down and say, hey, I'm going to make it no matter what, you know, even if it's not the best composition or good looking background. At the end, at least I had something created, you know, so, and maybe I can improve it later. It's always possible. So even from this stage of my painting, I can definitely improve this and have other pieces that kind of uses the same information that I did here. So it's not like all waste of time or waste of energy.